Hello. So today our soundtrack is my computer overheating. Should I let my hair down? I'll let my hair down. Hello and welcome to my channel. My teeth are so white. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Reggie, if you're new. If you're not, my name is still Reggie. So today I'm gonna be doing a DIY. Please don't mind this. I know I look very bougie, but it's really hot here right now, so I'm gonna keep fanning myself. So, DIY. I was watching Lee Daniels Star, and
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this.
towards the end of season 2, I saw Star wearing. If you haven't seen Lee Daniels Star, like, what are you doing? What is your life? Go watch it now. Oh my god, I am forever using this. Like, in every single video, there will be this. I promise you that. Skills. Oh, I wasn't expecting to catch it. Anyway, so towards the end of season 2 of Lee Daniels Star, Star was wearing this jacket that had like zippers on them. And I really, really liked it. I tried to find a DIY of it, but I couldn't. So I just thought, I'm gonna do it myself. I've never done that before though. It's gonna be the first time I'm doing it. You guys are gonna be witnessing it, and hopefully it'll turn out great. Let's get busy. So for this DIY, you're gonna need a pair of zippers, but since we have 2 sleeves, you're gonna need 2 pairs of zippers, a pair of scissors, and a needle and thread. I'm gonna be hand sewing everything, but if you have a sewing machine, it would like save you days. So the first step of this DIY requires you to have the jacket on you, and what you're gonna do is you're just gonna look at yourself in the mirror, see where it falls, and see where you would want the zippers to be placed. I'm trying to make this jacket look as much as the one that I saw on Lee Daniels Star, so there's gonna be one a little bit lower than the shoulder, and the other one is gonna be a little bit lower than the half of the sleeve, if that makes sense. So the second step consists in basically cutting off the sleeves to attach the zippers to then reattach the sleeves to the jacket. Here what I'm showing you is completely wrong. Do not do this. Let me explain. You see, right now I'm cutting really close to the seam, which is not what I should have done. I should have left a little bit of fabric, because when I'm gonna have to reattach the sleeve to the jacket, it's gonna be really hard to put the needle through the hard part of the jacket. Here I'm showing you what I did on the second sleeve. When I cut off the sleeve, I left a little bit of fabric attached to the jacket, so I'm going to be able to put the needle through that part instead of putting it through the hard part, which is a few millimeters away. So that's what you're going to want to do. So once we've cut off the sleeve, we want to cut inside the lines that we drew earlier when we traced the zipper, because you don't want any fabric underneath the zipper, because when we unzip it, you're going to want to see the skin or whatever you're wearing underneath the jacket. But make sure nonetheless that you're cutting inside the lines. Like, leave yourself some space. Don't cut on the line, because that's where your zipper is going to be. So you want to leave yourself a little bit of fabric before the line. So once you're done doing that, the next step is going to be to just pin your zipper to the line that was traced on the sleeve before. So what I did, I sewed the zipper, or the first zipper, on top of the sleeve, and so far it looks good-ish. You know, it's getting something. We're going somewhere with this. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the line that I had made at the beginning, and I'm gonna cut the sleeve. I swear, cutting the sleeves is really scaring me. because you guys don't know this, but this is a vintage Pepsi jacket that I found in a vintage store. Like, I noticed after cutting the sleeve. I don't think I would have if I would have noticed before. So now I'm done pinning the zipper to the first half of the sleeve. And now, as you can see, the zipper is too long. So I'm going to show you a little trick that I found on YouTube about resizing a zipper. So first thing to do is that you're going to mark where you want the zipper to end. And from there, you're just going to go over, under, over, under, over, under around the zipper. Make sure you keep the zipper straight though, because right now I'm folding it and it's going to have a weird shape. So just keep the zipper straight. Do that about 10 to like 15 times just to make sure, you know, it's really strong and really present. And just make a knot when you're done. Cut off the excess thread. And after that, all you have to do is just cut the rest of the zipper that we're not going to be using. I thought I wasn't going to be able to cut through the metal, but just go around the teeth and you should be fine. And then you have a resized zipper. And that brings us to step number 5, which is just sewing the zipper that we pinned. Beginning to look a lot like something. So what I did now is that I sewed on, as you can see, hand stitched everything. This part of the sleeve, and now what I'm gonna do is attach this side. And all you gotta do to do that is pin the zipper to the rest of the sleeve and stitch it. Simple as that. I mother freaking did it. And just look at that, guys. The zipper opens. I am so excited about this. So now basically all that's left to do is to do what we just did but for the second sleeve. And then we sew on the sleeves to the body of the jacket. And we got ourselves a bomb-ass jacket. So this is day 2 of the DIY. Here you see sleeve number 1, and here you have sleeve number 2. I already hand stitched the zipper, and now I'm just gonna take out my measuring tape, and I'm gonna measure the distance between the first and second zipper on the first sleeve, so that I know that it's the same thing on the second sleeve. Guys, I just completed both sleeves. It only took me something like 2 days and 1 sleepless night, but the zippers are in place. Let me show you what it looks like on the inside. Here what you're gonna have to do, you're gonna want to do is cut all the little white threads or blue threads that are gonna be in the way of the zipper, because you can easily get stuck in it. We are almost done, but I just wanted to tell you that the song you've been hearing, actually you heard 2 songs. One of them is not released, but both the songs are mine. And the song that you're hearing right now is called Red Flame, and it's one of my songs that is available on iTunes, Spotify, Apple Music, and everything that you can think of. Yeah, go check it out. And right now what I'm doing is just reattaching the sleeves onto the jacket. We are done after that. Okay guys, are you ready for the big reveal? Ta-ta, ta-ta. Oh my god! Okay, this is crazy. I swear I did not expect this to come out so good. Look at this. Look at me. Okay, wait. I know what y'all want to see. You want me to unzip it, eh? I need to be cool for that. So I went to get my sunglasses. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, guys. Okay, let's try to unzip it completely. Okay, that's a little weird. It's still cool. What's good? What's poppin'? Bitch better have my money. Ooh. Isn't that? Ooh. that dope though? That is casual with a little bit of oomph. You know what I mean? You know what? I was thinking maybe I'll do the pants equivalent of this. What do you guys think? Should I do that? Alright, I'm done. Hey guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this DIY. It's the first one I upload on my channel. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, leave some comments below, subscribe to the channel for more DIY, and also for some covers that you can go check out now. Follow me on any of my socials if you have any questions, if you just want to see what I'm doing. I'm up there and I'll answer to all of you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you soon. Peace out.